The new Toyota Yaris Cross builds on the success of the Yaris hatchback by introducing a more powerful hybrid powertrain. This expanded hybrid strategy caters to those seeking a compact vehicle without sacrificing power and performance, with nearly half of B-segment customers looking to downsize. The standout feature is the upgraded 1.5-liter hybrid system, now offering 129 bhp, thanks to a new transaxle and a more powerful electric motor generator. This results in a 12% increase in system output and significantly improved torque across the rev range. The enhanced powertrain accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 10.7 seconds and improves overtaking from 50 to 75 miles per hour to 8.9 seconds. Despite the power boost, CO2 emissions remain low at 109 to 115 grams per kilometer, and fuel economy is impressive at 58.8 mpg. The new powertrain enhances driving dynamics with faster acceleration and a more responsive feel. The increased torque across all engine speeds makes urban driving and highway overtaking more enjoyable. The hybrid system's greater electric power allows for higher speed EV driving and improved fuel efficiency by operating the engine in its optimal efficiency range more frequently. The Yaris Cross introduces new hybrid technologies, such as acceleration, deceleration assistance based on road gradients, and Predictive Efficient Drive, which optimizes battery usage based on driver behavior and route conditions. The predictive deceleration support and predictive state of charge control enhance efficiency by adjusting engine braking and battery charging based on road and traffic conditions. Built on Toyota's Ga-B small car platform, the Yaris Cross offers agile handling, high body strength, and a low center of gravity. This results in stable, precise driving with reduced body roll. The platform's advanced construction techniques ensure high rigidity without added weight. Toyota has addressed customer feedback by benchmarking the Yaris Cross against competitors to minimize road, wind, and engine noise. Enhancements include a dynamic damper on the engine mount, a resonator on the intake hose, and thicker glass for windows, contributing to a quieter cabin. The Yaris Cross features a fully digital user experience with a customizable 12.3-inch driver's combometer and a responsive Toyota Smart Connect multimedia system with cloud-based navigation. The Smart Digital Key, coming later in 2024, allows smartphone-based vehicle access and control. The Yaris Cross is equipped with an extensive range of Toyota Safety Sense functions, including new and enhanced systems like Proactive Driving Assist, Emergency Driving Stop System, and Adaptive High Beam System. These features are standard across the range, ensuring high safety standards. The Yaris Cross is available in several grades, including Icon, Design, GR Sport, Excel, and the limited Premier Edition. Prices start at £25,530 for the Icon grade with the 114 bhp hybrid FWD powertrain, up to £34,885 for the Premier Edition with the 129 bhp hybrid AWD powertrain. Toyota offers up to 10 years, 100,000 miles warranty, emphasizing reliability and customer satisfaction. The Toyota Yaris Cross offers a compelling combination of performance, efficiency, advanced technology, and safety, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV market.